This video will demonstrate the care and cleaning process on the McCafe MCO single-serve cartridge automatic brewer. Disconnect brewer from power source and allow to cool completely. Raise the lever to access the basket holder. Tilt the basket back and loosen screw a few turns. Tilt forward and lift the basket out. Caution, basket contains a sharp needle. Remove drip tray and drip tray grate. Wash and rinse basket. Verify holes are cleared. Wash and let air dry. Install basket back into holder. Carefully snug screwed back in. Remove 4 screws and the top cover. Lift lever to open brew chamber. Remove hood from brew chamber. Move brewing mechanism so that the rear shaft drops into cutout. Insert wrench and lock onto spray head. Turn to left 1/4 turn. Remove spray head for cleaning. Reinstall in reverse order. Replace drip tray and drip tray cover.